Hello, let me show you how you can send a direct message to someone on Discord. So first of all, the person that you want to send a message to needs to be on your friends list or on any of your servers. After that, once you meet these requirements, you can either, for instance, find the person on your server somewhere over here, and then you can right click and then you can select message in order to open the DM. So over here I can write anything that I want to that person. And alternatively, for instance, over here, if you have selected any of the servers, you can go to the top left corner over here where you have the Discord logo and it says direct messages. If you click over here, you will open this, let's say, social hub. You might see something like this. So over here you have the list of online friends, and then you can click on any of your online friends and then send the message as well. You can go back to friends over here, and if you have some offline friends, then you can click all in order to see all your friends that you have in your friends list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.